Hey guys, so today we are at the Fort Marriott Village skate park field thing. A friend of mine is doing some spray painting. Thom Reynolds, you saw him in my previous video from Avoca Studio. It's a windy day, but we are on the search for him because he is down here doing a piece for a mural down here, spray paint. So I'll catch up to you in a second when I find him. Dude, that's fucking sick. I probably shouldn't say that on these videos, but you know, can't help it. Wild Thom in his natural habitat. Yeah. So Thom, how do you know where you can go, legal and all that sort of side of things?
That's a great question. Tough one with knowing where to paint unless you kind of know what you're doing, I suppose.
Yeah.
There's a website that's legal walls, but also they're not legitimate.
Yeah.
Anyone can just post them on there. So.
Yeah. So it's not always worth it.
We actually got permission for this spot by writing to the council.
Yeah.
Because it was just covered in old graffiti. So yeah, most of the places is just designated, but here we actually got permission for.
Yeah.
It's always good.
Oh, nice. It's just some places you just, I suppose, ask the council, and some places just hope for the best. Fingers crossed. No, that's it, man. Yes, spider. So much paint. Love it. Action.
It's hard not to let go. And when somebody tells you I told you so, turn up the radio and bring us up. I wonder what is missing when we feel the way we feel, we do it right. Everything you give them, will somehow get back to you in time. Physical, I wonder what is missing when we feel the way we feel, we do it right. Everything you give them, will somehow get back to you in time. Physical,
Wait, what was your name again, sorry?
Craig.
Craig. So this is my newfound friend Craig. He's another spray painting artist, graffiti artist, or however, I don't know what you want to call it, but yeah. But the legal lines and how people start and how we get there. And so yeah, as you were saying, sorry.
Yeah, I think when I started, I guess a lot of people start in the same way, just kind of getting a marker pen and tagging illegally and stuff.
Yep, been there, got arrested for it.
I think exactly. That was kind of the turning point for me. Was I did get arrested and then stopped for X amount of years, about 6-7 years or something. Kind of got a job I enjoyed and everything else.
Yeah.
So then kind of finding graffiti I had to kind of ask myself, is it worth getting arrested again?
Yeah.
Getting like losing a job and like all different things. Well, just growing up essentially.
No, yeah, no,
Then
definitely.
it's kind of luckily enough met Tom through like Instagram, and yeah, just. But no, I prefer legal painting as well.
Yeah.
Like, well,
No,
I'm
definitely.
using a
You-
paintbrush,
you're
like-
free to do what you want and not have that worry of, is there going to be a cop coming around that corner and I'm going to be having to grab everything in one.
yeah, it's a lot less anxiety. Yeah.
Yeah,
You'd never be
definitely.
able to like get stuff. Well, I wouldn't be able to certainly like be able to get stuff this kind of clean.
Yeah, you've got that
In
freedom
a
to
short
take
space
your time
of
with it as well.
I have to kind of rush to get something done before being seen.
Yeah.
Saying that, like, I do respect the people who do it illegally. Like,
Yeah,
got some balls.
definitely.
And then yeah, like some of the stuff they can achieve with them kind of that pressure added to it is phenomenal. Really.
Yeah,
Yeah, different
incredibly impressive.
sports for different sorts. I
Yeah.
suppose. It's a bad boy. This is stage
Thank
one.
you.
This is. Does it get pulled? I look back.
That's such a sick bit.
My back is made of boulders.
So I think what happened was I think someone's gone on holiday and he got locked in their house, but they normally have a cat. But he'd lost a bit of weight, but not enough that he hadn't eaten for 2 weeks. So I reckon he found some cat biscuits in someone's house but couldn't get out, so just spent the whole time cleaning himself.
Sit back, enjoy the ride. We're on our way. One track, no turning back. Forget yesterday. Unknown destination, aiming for the sky. So high, so high, so high. Killing frustration. We're doing it all to survive the nightfall. When you fight against the time and you're about to lose your mind, it's easy to cross the line. There's no answer as to why when you look death in the eye. Either you live or you die. Charge up, you're the battery that keeps me awake. Reload under your control before I break. Killing frustration, had to do it all to survive the nightfall. When you fight against the time and you're about to lose your mind, it's easy to cross the line. There's no answer as to why when you look death in the eye. Either you live or you die. You live or you die. You live or you die. You're killing me, you're killing me, you're killing me. Can't have enough, you're killing me, you're killing me, you're killing me. Can't have enough, you're killing me, you're killing me, you're killing me. When you fight against the time and you're about to lose your mind, it's easy to cross the line. There's no answer as to why when you look death in the eye. Either you live or
designing it and all of that. Like, how do you go about designing such a awesomely massive mural piece?
We both sketched our own pieces on Procreate,
Yeah.
and then we sent the files to each other and kind of stuck it all together. And then when Craig coloured his in, I didn't. I just had a line work drawing, and we decided on colours. And we were like, let's plonk a spider in the middle. Here we are.
Yeah. Nice.
It is easy as that, kind of. You're right.
It's good to have a nice collaboration as well. Like,
Yeah, it's nice for us to do a really, really big wall as well.
yeah,
We're going to be quite limited size-wise.
make it nice and cohesive.
Yeah.
Gosh, man.
I want to get all the cobwebs around the edges. It's all in my brain.
Yes. Anything inspired you for this piece, or just one of those random moments like, yeah, let's do this?
We've been saying for ages that we're going to do a properly themed wall, and we go to the bug farm again, seeing all the spiders. So the spiders was a good idea, but we wanted to do a non-Black Widow spider. No red on this wall, no. That was my one stipulation for this wall, was no red.
No red. Any colour but no red.
Yeah, that was it.
Hell yeah.
I was very annoyed. He loves red. His favourite. Craig, you're not wearing your flame shirt.
Do you know why?
Why?
So did
Oh,
I want to go to
you didn't need to go into BQ. I'd have just gone in and got it if you'd have been wearing your flame shirt and you were that embarrassed. I mean, just also live your life. Wear your...
I think it's because he knew that I was coming down to film today.
That's
So he was like, no,
exactly
no,
it,
no,
yeah.
no, I'm not going on film in my flame shirt.
Well, it's a flame shirt and matching flame shorts.
High school disco.
Yeah, it's fantastic. It's a full combination.
Hell yeah.
Oh, high school disco.
Or high school disco.
All disco.
Love it. Yeah. I'm definitely going to have to get some mics, I think, to attach
I think that's
this.
a good shout, yeah.
Today was kind of a random one because you mentioned about it. I was like, yeah,
Yeah, why
let's
not?
just jump straight in and go for this instead of thinking about it and contemplating doing it and
Well,
letting
we
my
paint
anxiety
regularly, so,
take it away from me. Let's just go for it and use. I don't like bees. Well, I do like bees, but I don't like wasps mainly.
Bees
After
and wasps
the-
both terrify me. I've been stung too many times. I've got no beef with bees as a creature, how important they are, but also stay away from me, please.
Yeah, as I say, I got no beef with them. It's just I fell into a wasp nest once, and that was it. I was covered from head to toe in stings and could not get away from them.
Yeah.
Alcohol sorted me that day though. Get drunk, I can't feel it.
Oh, that's hideous. Ugh. It's almost been a year since I had a booze now.
Yeah,
Craig was with me when I had my last one.
yeah.
Birthday last year was the last time I had any sort of booze. When we were camping. I had a G&T, didn't I? Little can of gin and tonic.
Yeah.
I must have been before, well, properly drinking before Corona.
Yeah.
I've had a one or two randomly, but literally only one or two since Corona.
Yeah.
Like probably two. And both of those times I was like drank a bit and was like, I'm bored.
Yeah.
I don't really want to do. I don't know why. I was not interested in it right now. So let's just not
fair,
entertain
isn't
it.
it?
Considering, old alcoholic me was, let's jump straight in, feet first, just grab what we can. But now it's like, no.
Good work. That's what we
Yeah.
like, isn't it?
There's more to life than just drinking.
Sure is.
Oh, there's art for one.
Yeah,
Like,
spiders.
there's spiders for two.
The combination of the two. Spiders.
Yes.
Right,
That's what it's all about today.
I need yellow, I need brown, and dark grey.
So guys, back today when they had finished, and it's absolutely amazing. I don't know what absolutely is, but yeah, absolutely amazing. Can't believe the sheer just talent these guys have to pull this off. And as you can see behind me, and as you've probably seen during this video, like, oh my god, it is insane, and it's very hot today. so you know, can't complain. But yeah, so yeah, this is me signing off from this one, and if you haven't already, subscribe and like and subscribe. Follow these guys on Instagram, and what here, I'll leave some links below for you. And yeah, have a good one, and laters. Enjoy your paint.